Link Jones yn taro bel ymlaen, dod ddim yn bas ora. Gig hir dros yr amddiffyn. I lwybr Mike Hayes. Hayes i mewn i Cwrt Cosby. Ac yn taro postyn. Cyfla clir cynta'r gêm. A fi oedd bron i Mike Hayes. Roi'r tîm o'r gogledd ar y blaen. Bruno Morris. Colli meddiant yn y pen draw. A'r bas i lwybr Mike Hayes. Michael Hayes! Yn syth at Dion Carroll. Bruno Morris. Capten de Gŵyr. Ar ochr i Gwrs Cosby hun. Bas Letsaws o'n cael ei rhyngipio. Sgons. Ymlaen at Hayes. Mike Hayes! A Troma. Mae'r blaenwr profiadol wedi canfod yr wyd. Y tîm o'r gogledd sy'n mynd ar y blaen. 15fed gôl Mike Hayes ym mhob cystadleuaeth tymor yma. Connell, Driffield, Waddell ar draws i'w chymryd i. Yr Albanwr yn crymanu'r bel tuag at y smotyn gwyn. Mynydd y Fflint yn clirio. Hayes yn brwydro i adfer y meddiant. Ac yn rhyddhau Jack Sgons. Sgons yn ebyn y golwr. Sgons o amgylch y golwr. A fe gafodd o'i dynnu'r llawr. Gweitha protestiadau Dion Carroll. Mae'n gic o'r smotyn i Mynydd y Fflint. Rob Hughes. Yn plannu'r bel i Gonol Isa Rhwyd. 5 gôl Rob Hughes yn y 6 gêm ddiwetha. Ac am y drydydd rownd o'r bron, mae o 'di sgorio yng Nghwpan Cymru. Giadelli efo'r bas fach. Cyfle i fe, Gŵyr! A llygedyn o baith i'r tîm o'r de. Ac yn y rownd flaenorol yn erbyn Cas Gwent. Fe nath de Gŵyr daro nôl. Oedd o 2 ar ei hôl i ennill ar gicio'r smotyn. A mae bellach yn 2-1 yma yma, efo llai na chwarter awr i fynd.
Yeah, massive win. Like we were just saying then, it's probably the club's biggest win. And to get to the quarter-final of the Welsh Cup's massive. The lads put in a right shift, like literally left everything out there, and you can't ask any more. They obviously gave it their all last 10-15, but luckily we overcame the storm they came with.
It's a bit of a trait of ours to give teams 2-0 leads and come back. I think in this competition we've gone down 2-0 3 times and come back, and we just need to stop giving teams 60 minutes to start against us and come back. But ultimately just wasn't falling for us, and at the end of the day they took the chances and we didn't at the end, so we can't really have anything to blame but ourselves really.
Then you're into the last 8 for the first time in the club's history. As someone who spent plenty of time playing at the top level, who do you fancy in the last 8?
Tennis. No, look, obviously it's a big question. The last 8, there's obviously they're all good sides left in it, but as I've said to my lads in there, you know, we can compete with anybody. I know we can. So, you know, it'll be a special occasion for the club, for myself, for the players. So, you know, we'll prepare right for it and bring anybody on, in my opinion. You know, bring them on.
Mae'r antur 'di dod i ben, ond dwi'n siŵr bod chi gymryd lot allan o'r hediad tymor yma.
Ie, mae'n ni wedi, ond os ti'n edrych nôl at yn lot o nhw yn cic y smotau. Yn ni i Dion Carroll y dde wedi bod yn night and shine yn ama i ni yn lot o rowndiau hynny. Ond yn drip oedd ercho chwarae cae fel hon, yn stadion fel hon yma. I glwb fel ni, mae ni ddim yn fach iawn, so mae'n yna ddercho dim ond ni chwaraewr i'r clwb, i'r pobl sydd dod lawr i gwylio, so bydd e'n dda iawn.
Of course, you scored the first goal this afternoon. I think that's your 15th in all competitions this season, so you're averaging nearly a goal a game. Having been banging them in at the top tier, at the top level for years, you're obviously enjoying and savouring your new challenge with Flint Mountain in the third tier.
Yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. I obviously have played in the Welsh Prem for a long time and wanted a new challenge, going to the coaching role as well, but I'm loving it. Not like it's good getting on the score sheet, but seeing the other lads getting the goals as well is good.
It's been quite the run. The last team to have played in the first qualifying round still standing. It's been quite an adventure this year.
Yeah, so we went. I think we played in the end of July was the first game, and then we're still going now. And we wanted to try and get that right and keep going to the last 8. You know, I think for most of the clubs still in, the prize money for this is pocket change for them for players, but for us, it's done a hell of a lot to help improve the grounds and all sorts. So, you know, as boys paying to play and starting from the first qualifying round, I think it's a hell of an achievement for us to get to the last 16. Just a bit frustrated not to go one more, really.